back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kate, and today we're going to the pumpkin patch. As you saw, I just got ready. I am about to do my hair. I've been doing this thing where I blow dry my hair and then put curls in it, but each curl I put in like a little clip and roll it up, or I put it in some rollers. Gives you like that blowout look. So I'm gonna walk you through that right now. Cut my hair with the Amika Bombshell blowout spray, and then I also used the Olaplex number 3. The front section here, wrap it away from my face here. Just hold it there for a moment. So, okay, so you can see I have like a little curl going for me here. These little Velcro curlers, these are from Five Below. Basically just roll this up and I put a clip in there to hold it. Two top sections are the most important. Just going to start using these clips that I have in here. I got them on like Amazon and stuff, so like they're just like little clips. I used to go to the pumpkin patch and we're bringing the dogs, so I'm gonna put them in their cute little fall sweaters and try to take like photos with me, the dogs, and Brian. Today I'm trying to just get some fall Instagram photos. Okay, I have them all in. I look a little nuts, but that's part of it, you know? I'm gonna use my Chi hairspray and just start spraying. We just wait a little bit for it to set. I'm not gonna wait too long because I do have to get going. Okay, I think it's time to take these out. I'm gonna go from bottom to top this time because I feel like that makes more sense when taking them out. Typically, it looks crazy, but we see the volume, we see the curls. Your fingers and kind of rake through it a little bit. I'm just gonna take this brush and help myself do it. Really good. I really like it. My hair looks really dark in this lighting and I don't understand why, because it's really not. Super voluminous curls. We love it. Yeah. Let's go. We're running late. Got Cooper's little sweater on here. He looks so handsome. Rudy is getting his little flannel on right now. I figured I would give you guys a little OOTD. So I did throw on some rings. These are new and I love them. I just have some jewelry on. I always go with gold. Brian, show your outfit really quick. Tell them where it's from.
The thrift shop.
Your shirt is Nautica. We thrifted it. And then also this is an Amazon Basics that we thrifted as well. Jeans are what? Express jeans. And then he has, let me show you guys. He has these shoes on. I got them at Marshall's and they are the brand London Fog. Really cute. So I'm gonna show you my outfit really quick. Sweater is also thrifted, but it's Old Navy. And I love like the little cuffed sleeves and the detailing. It's oversized. It's like a size small. And then these are the airy flared brown legging, the offline one. They're so comfortable and so cute. And I have my UGG dupes on. They're just like the UGG mini dupes. Thinking about wearing my like real UGGs, but I'm like, if we're going to a pumpkin patch, I don't want to ruin my UGGs. Forgot to show you Rudy's little outfit. Look how cute he looks. Oh my goodness. Yesterday I went to Lululemon. I've been dying to make this purchase and I bit the bullet. Only $30 some, so really not that big of a deal, but got the Lululemon belt bag. So here it is. She's beautiful. She's brand new. I've been wanting one for so long and I don't know why I just haven't gotten it earlier, but here it is. Figured I would kind of unbox that with you guys and show you what I'm putting in it and stuff. It has the buckle strap thing, and then in the back here there's like a pocket, which is perfect for like keys, lipstick, whatever. Inside there's some like little mesh pockets in here, if you can see that, and then that's just the front. I have my little mini wallet, so I'm gonna put that in the main part. I have my lip liner. I think I'm gonna put that in the back here. I have a hand sanitizer I'm also gonna put in the back. Always need these just in case, you know, so that can go inside though. Put that in like the mesh part here. I have my favorite lip oil, which is the Merit Beauty one. And I have a little travel size perfume. I also got this sent to me, but it's from Sephora. And then I have one more little lip gloss from a local boutique. Okay, a few more things I'm gonna put in this belt bag are a pen, because you never know when you need a pen. And then I have eye drops for my allergies, because my eyes are always so itchy. That's all for what I'm putting in here. I'm gonna zipper this up and we're gonna put it on. I'm actually so excited to see what this looks like. Easy enough. Safe to say, I love it. I think it's really cute. So as you can see, Rudy had a change of clothes. He gets so annoyed when you put clothing on him, so I took it off and I put a bandana on him instead. We made a compromise.
You say I've been gone for so long, for so long, moonlight on the lawn.
Rudy, what is that? Cooper said, what the hell are you?
No way.
Cooper, what do you think?
All that I say, all that I do, I'm over the moon, thinking of you, thinking of you, yeah. All that I say, all that I do, I'm over the moon, thinking of you.
We are leaving the pumpkin patch and the dogs had such a good time. As you saw, my parents came and like helped us out with the dogs, which worked out so good. I literally took my sweater off already because it's so hot. It's beautiful weather. It was so sweet. They had like all kinds of vendors here, music, DJ. I don't know, it's just really fun here and it's packed right now too. But yeah, I think we got some good pictures, so make sure to follow on Instagram. Today we are taking Pinterest fall photos. So we are leaving right now to go to this really cute coffee shop in our area. It's in Bethlehem. I have a thrifted sweater. This is originally from American Eagle. And then I have flared black leggings from Victoria's Secret. And then I just have my old Uggs that I've had literally since like middle school. It's raining today and they already kind of have water damage, but it's fine. We're gonna still make it work.
Find my way through the hotel. Same when I'm on my own. All my friends think I'm something bad, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel. Ain't the same when I'm on my own.
You just saw us trying to take some pictures in Biddy and Bows and oh my god, it was so cute. I'm in the car right now changing into the next look. I am just in this oversized V-neck pullover and this oversized puffer vest. Putting the same leggings on, changing my shoes from Uggs to Blazers, throwing on this new hat that I got from Altered State.
I know I feel it. Keep me floating, I'm on my back. Slow me down when I'm living fast. You make me wanna be with somebody, doing things that
So we took some pictures and I love this outfit. I'm kind of digging it. So cute. Fall vibes are immaculate here.
same when I'm on my own. All my friends think I'm something bad, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel.
Okay, we just had a little dinner. It was so good and we are now picking up his friend and they're having their own thing tonight and I am going to be filming. It is the next morning. I already did my makeup. I still have to do my hair. Ryan just brought up 2 of my fall totes with clothing from, you know, last fall. And it's because I was honestly having a clothing crisis. Like I was just like, I don't know what to wear. I have a vision, but like none of my fall stuff is up here yet because we've just been so busy. Okay, so it was these 2. And I laid out some options here. Right now, this pop of red is like super in right now. And this is like an oversized men's Columbia sweater. So I think I'm gonna put this on with some shorts. A little Ugg Tasmans probably with some scrunched socks. Gonna do some bows in my hair. And then I think I might also bring this jacket. This was from Express when I worked with them. Okay guys, so the initial sweater I was talking about just didn't look right. So I actually put on this long sleeve cropped turtleneck, ignore the scars on my stomach. And then I have this jacket on top, and then I have these pants from Addicted. Trying to see what shoes I want to do. To run to the Dollar Tree really quick because I'm gonna get ribbons to put in my hair.
If I could tell you, I don't think you'd believe how long I felt this way.
I just got home from the Dollar Tree. I'm sitting here with all the stuff I just got. I filmed a haul for TikTok, so definitely go watch that. I think it looks pretty cute. I switched over to these hoops. All good. Here's the outfit again. I'm gonna put that jacket over top, and for some of the pictures, I'll take it off too. So if I watch for movement, as I usually do, here is how it looks with the jacket. I think it came together really cute. I love this little outfit. I think it's gonna look really cute in the pumpkin patch and everything. So we're gonna go take those pictures.
but I never called. And you're going all the way this year. If I could tell.
Okay, it is a random Thursday. I'm with Tenley and we are shooting some photos in downtown Bethlehem. So we're kind of just like scouting out a spot right now, but it's like, what time is it?
It's like 9.
It's like 9 a.m. So
I was kind of cold out.
it's cold. It's just starting to get a little bit cold out recently. So we're gonna try to get that done and then go do some work at a coffee shop.
I know you need out sometimes. Head on the glass by traffic lights. Thoughts never felt so blind, so we take off in amazing dive. Driving circles, growing sick of the weather.
Okay, it's me again a little bit later, same day as I shot some photos with Tenley. And I was lucky enough to hang out with 2 friends today and shoot content with 2 friends. I am heading over to my friend Kelly's house now. And you can see I kind of look a little nuts because I have these like bows in my hair. I cannot tell you how long it took me to get these in. Tried so hard to get them to stay in with like a bobby pin. I'm just like praying that they stay. And I'm also praying that they look good in the photos when we take them. So we're going to Blue Mountain. Hopefully there'll be some, you know, fall leaves and mountain views and things like that. Have on a thrifted, oversized leather jacket.
From outside to face the sky.
Okay, I'm with my friend Kelly. She is the best musician you'll ever hear. So we're at Blue Mountain. Look at this view. Oh my God. Our location. We have some really pretty fall foliage coming up this way. And then we also have like the mountain view over here. So I'm taking pictures for Kelly now. So pretty. We're gonna try to take some pictures right here and then we're gonna go up to that skeleton over there for Kelly. And then also there's some cool trees and like mountains there. So maybe we'll hike over there after. I don't know, I'm literally hiking in boots, so. Okay guys, here's where we're at now. This is pretty cool, honestly. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna try the skeleton idea. I'm gonna walk down here further, see if we could get like the ski lift maybe, the trees and then the mountains in the background. We're kind of on a steep mountain.
Another night goes by, I can't describe what I found. But you could be the one to make me wanna. You fall a long way down. You're the only one this town has found for me. You got something I can't afford to lose. I'm running over under the sky blue. You pull me closer and meet my view. My view. Single time you come